the whisper that shouted too loud. The voice inside is not always a whisper. Sometimes it is thunder. Without sound, it lives in the quiet moments when we forget to defend ourselves. It says, "Not enough, never enough." This is the story of Elia. She spun thread so fine it shimmered like breath. Each color held a memory. Saffron for laughter, indigo for longing, ash rose for the silence after tears. But she stopped weaving long ago. One comment, one cruel mirror, had silenced her loom. Now, baskets brimmed with color, but her walls remained bare. Days passed like shadows across her shutters. Her fingers still moved, but not with joy. Only habit. She feared that flaw was failure, and so she chose invisibility over imperfection. Until a child arrived. Curious, clumsy, kind. They spun together and the thread twisted and snapped. Elia flinched. The child smiled. "It's beautiful," they said, "because we made it." In that moment, the critic softened, not disappeared, but loosened its grip. Elia opened her shutters. Let the wind see her work. She hung her old tapestries like prayer flags. Frayed, uneven, radiant. Not perfect, but hers. This is how healing begins. Not with silence, but with a softer voice underneath the noise. The critic may not leave, but you do not have to obey. Step forward, even if the path is fog. Let the bowl be cracked, the mirror unclear. Let your thread tangle and still be treasured, because you are not the voice that scolds. You are the soul that stays. And one day, when another stands where you once hid, you'll hold out your hand, threads trailing like grace, and whisper, "You're not alone. Spin anyway." You can find the full written version of this reflection in the article linked in the video description. If you found value in this reflection, tap the like button. It helps us grow this space for honest, healing stories.